Salutare toată lumea, numele meu este Chris și bine m-am găsit la un episod din The Walking Dead: A New Frontier. Dacă vă place, nu uitați să apăsați butonul de like, de share, de subscribe, să activați clopoțelul pentru notificări. Nu uitați că în descrierea acestui videoclip aveți linkuri de la GameEvo, unde aveți 85-90% reducere la jocuri și la gift carduri. Aveți un link de la Keydrop, unde puteți folosi codul JustChris pentru 50 de cenți și 10% atunci când depozitați bani și codul JUST pe MobileFox 20% reducere pentru husele de telefoane. După cum știți, data trecută ni s-a prezentat povestea lui Javi. Am întâlnit-o pe Clementine, care ne-a ajutat și ne ajută să ajungem la familia noastră. Ni s-a prezentat povestea lui Kenny, din păcate un caracter principal din seria The Walking Dead, care a murit în urma unui accident pentru că nu simțea picioarele, pentru a o salva pe Clint și pe AJ.
Guys, that's the place.
Iar noi am venit cu Trip și cu Clem să ne găsim familia, da.
What a mess.
Să vedem dacă mai sunt în viață.
Must have been hundreds of them.
Kate's good in a crisis. She'd know how to get shelter.
What's that?
Mariana's tape player.
Hmm.
Mariana? Mariana, are you here?
Mariana.
Javi!
Oh my god. You're safe. I can't believe it.
You told me where to hide. I just listened to what you said. Lock yourself in and don't come out, not even once it's quiet. It kept running through my head like on a loop.
Did they hurt you? Are you okay?
I hid before they could get to me. I'm fine. Really.
Kate and your brother, where are they?
We got pulled apart when that huge bunch of muertos showed up. Kate yelled that they were gonna try to make it back to the van.
Then that's where we're headed.
Let's go find your brother, sweetheart.
Oh no.
Venosul.
No. No sign of them. They must have seen it like this, then gone someplace else to hide. Kate.
Opa. Kate și Gabe.
They're trapped in there.
Mariana, stay back.
Hai să-i ajutăm, nu?
Javi! You found us.
Hey, it's okay. I got you.
You happy to see me?
Era sigur, mă, băi.
Gross.
Come on.
Scârbos.
We get a pass.
I wanted to come after you. I swear I did.
You don't have to snot all over my shirt about it.
I thought we were dead. Like, never gonna see you again dead. We only had a couple bullets left.
You're still alive, aren't you? So is Kate. So is Mari. That's all that matters.
I was just so scared.
I'm here now. You don't have to be
Bă,
scared.
dar ce s-a întâmplat cu oamenii ăia de erau aici?
Hey, you hurt yourself.
Must have scraped you in the truck. Didn't even notice.
Hey, at least it's not a bite.
Corect.
Well, not much we can do about it here.
I've got a lady friend who's a doctor. As soon as we get back to Prescott, she'll patch you right up. I'm Trip, by the way. Pleasure to make your acquaintance.
We should be getting back. Don't want to push our luck.
Who's the kid with the gun? She have a name you want to share with us?
Clementine's a friend.
Hi there. Glad I was able to help.
Well, we're very grateful to you. Really.
There's a town nearby. It's
Mhm.
safe.
I like the sound of that.
Oh my god. Javi, do they have hot water? Even like lukewarm water would be okay.
I'm sure they do.
I'm gonna stay in until my fingers get all pruny.
Huh.
Between you and me, these kinds of missions don't usually go so well. But you found every single one of your people. You
Mhm.
found them alive, healthy, reasonably cheerful.
Guess I'm a lucky guy.
Luckier than anyone I've ever met.
Da, Venu.
When we get back to Prescott, you still owe me a working ride. I haven't forgotten about our deal. You couldn't have known what happened to your van, but still, I need some way out of here.
That van was the only ride I had a lead on. So maybe it's time to renegotiate.
I know it's not the easiest thing to find, but cool.
Ce? Ah, MP3 player-ul.
Thanks.
Ce, mă? Băi, nu cred.
Mari!
Am omorât-o.
You really thought you could just walk back in here like nothing happened? I don't think so.
Javi! We can't leave her!
Kate, nu.
Shit! Oh.
Kate! Stop! Stop!
Javi, help!
Nu, trebuia să dau return fire.
Go!
Jesus. Jesus, I'm so...
She just...
I know, Javi, and there'll be time for all that, but not right now. Kate needs a doctor. Which means we gotta go. We got a window here, man.
I'm gonna fucking kill him! I'm gonna kill all of them!
You wanna die too? You think that's gonna help your little girl?
So what? I'm just supposed to let him live?
If you wanna do what's right for your family, you'll come with me. It's time to go, man.
Mhm.
We stay here and we finish this.
Are you fucking nuts? We gotta get the fuck out of here
We
right
already
now.
killed one of you. If we don't stop them, they're gonna come after your family again. Let Trip help them. You stay with me.
What? No, Javi, you have to come with us. Javi, please!
Trust me, Javi. We have to end this now.
No, Javi, please come with us.
Get her back to Prescott. We'll cover you.
Javi!
Go with them. I'll be fine.
Give me a hand here, kid.
Just keep firing until they're out of sight, okay?
I'm ready.
Hai mă, permit. Bun. Mhm.
Javi, don't!
Mișto. Size That Bind Part 1. Ok. Am stat la acest junkyard, eu și 45%, ok. Eu și 47% l-am împușcat pe șofer, ok. Eu și 94% am stat încuiați acolo în loc să plecăm cu Eleanor, ok. Eu și 50% am stat la junkyard în loc să mergem cu Trip. Nu, l-am adus pe Trip la junkyard. Iar eu și 84% am stat cu Clementine. Frumos! Frumos, frumos, frumos. Chiar aș vrea să știu cât am filmat. Doar 9 minute nu se poate. Doar atât. Cred că o să încep și partea a doua sau episodul 2. Da, o să încep și episodul 2. Este foarte puțin. The game series adapts to the choice you make. The story is tailored by how you play. Ok, ni se prezintă un backstory, aparent suntem acasă și Venom este în fața casei. Kate? Cum spală vasele?
Please,
Javi?
do the dishes. That's the least I could do. I'm crashing here. Crashers clean dishes.
Your family. Besides, if they're not cleaned the right way, David becomes a big baby about it all. I'm a pro at this point.
No. I insist.
Grab this sponge and you're gonna be eating it too. It's not a big deal. I've got it.
Nah, I know you don't mind, but I won't be here for too long. Just, gotta get back on my feet a little.
You're right. I don't mind.
But David does. Is that it?
Maybe a little bit. Actually, forget I said that. That wasn't for me to...
Well, he can just deal with it. He's always giving me shit for not being around anyway.
Your family. That means the door's always open. So
Dar
where
se
do you
comportă
think
cu mine
you're
ca și
going?
cum n-aș fi
I know.
fratele lui.
What happened? I'd be amazed if I could get a job assistant coaching T-ball.
You'll land on your feet.
Da, deci el practic e un... a fost un jucător renumit de baseball.
Just travel around, see what's out there.
Want to take me with you? Well?
Kate, come on. You know that's a bad idea.
Of course I do. I'm just messing around. It's just hard to say no to a fresh start. Always wanted
N-am
to
vrut
get
să dau
north,
aia.
see the northern lights. You'll be jet setting and I'll still just be here. Oh, god damn it. Oh, shit,
quick,
shit,
run
shit,
underwater.
shit. That was David's army glass. Oh, he's gonna be so pissy about it. I can hear him already. Oh, it's so annoying.
Just blame me. Well, he'll buy it. I'm the idiot fuck-up, right?
That's true.
Exactly. There you go. See? Much better. What was that noise?
Mișto, deci asta ne plăcea de pe vremea când... de pe vremea când era căsătorită cu David.
Hello? My CEO gave me that. And unless you want to dig up his fucking corpse, he's not going to give me another one.
Why don't we get an actual dishwasher?
Here we go again.
Then you won't be on my ass anytime there's a spot on a fork.
David, come on. Take it easy. It was an accident. Stay out of this, Javi. Not until you step away and cool off.
We don't see your ass for a year. A year. Then when your life goes to shit, we're expected to drop everything and roll out the red carpet. All for Prince Javi. And now you're gonna start telling me how to talk to my wife?
This isn't about him.
Really? He's the one standing right there judging me for something he doesn't understand. You don't know him like I do.
You know what, David? Time for you to open your eyes. Kate's gonna leave your ass.
What?
She told me so.
Javi!
You said that?
Jesus fucking Christ, no! We were talking about traveling and I just... No, I definitely didn't say that. At all.
3 days. Then I want you off my couch and out the door. We clear?
Fine.
Javi, that is my husband. We are married. In case you forgot. That's for life.
Da, știi mine. Pe bune. Fix ea a zis chestia asta. Și insinua chestia asta pe bune. Pe bune. Ok. Ne-am trezit, aparent. Bă, cine bă? Mișto.
Hey, take it easy.
Ok.
What happened?
They got away.
Oh, God. Mariana.
E moartă, bro.
I already dug a grave for her.
Thank you. You deserve so much better than this. Fuck, it wasn't supposed to go like this.
Javi, thank you for staying. I think you probably saved my life.
I should have gone with them.
No, we fought. We slowed them down.
And now they'll come back for us, right?
I don't know. Maybe.
Hey, hang on a sec. She carried this around for years. I'm sorry I never found you those candy bars. You deserved just so much more life.
No, deja a turnat 3 de nale și gata, a acoperit-o aproape.
Someday far away.
You did everything you possibly...
Cine este, mă? Ăla... Lani, cumva? Nu e Lani. Opa, un semn. Un semn pe gât.
Oh, shit. What? Well, what's wrong? Clem?
I've run into these guys before.
Who are they? Please?
They call themselves the New Frontier. They used to be
Okay.
decent people. Now they're something else. This brand they have, it's like an initiation thing. I was kind of stuck in their camp for a while. Not by choice. It was bad. I'm lucky to be alive.
What'd you do to piss them off? You do kind of have a temper sometimes.
I got out. That's all that matters. They left one of their cars behind. That's something at least.
Good. Just like you always wanted.
I can take you back to Prescott, make sure your family's okay. But then I'm hitting the road.
You should stay with us.
Let's just get back to Prescott.
Bă, dar trebuie să stai cu noi, mă, de ce să plece? Mișto. Aș vrea să știu cât am filmat, 20 de minute. Hai să vedem ce s-a întâmplat cu Kate, cu
You're back.
Gabriel.
How's Kate? Is she...
Just came out of surgery. Eleanor's still with her. You'd best get over to the infirmary.
You made it back.
Mhm.
She asked for you. You know.
Please just tell me how she's doing.
Well, she came through the surgery as well as could be expected. Those bastards did her one favor at least. Any lower, and that bullet would have torn her stomach lining as well. Your boy Gabe. He seems really fierce. He wanted to help so badly. He practically forced me to let him stay.
That's Gabe.
But she was bleeding so much, he got overwhelmed.
So when's she gonna be up on her feet again?
She's stable. For now. But she's still bleeding inside.
Are hemoragie internă.
It's probably just a matter of time.
Matter of time.
No, I don't accept that. I can't.
I've done everything I can for now. I'm sorry, Javi. I'm going to get cleaned up. You may want to find Gabe. He looked pretty upset when he left.
This isn't gonna make him feel any better.
Still.
I'll track him down.
Ok. Păi ce pot să zic, cam asta a fost și episodul nostru. Dacă v-a plăcut, nu uitați să apăsați butonul de like, de share, de subscribe, să aprindeți clopoțelul pentru notificare. Nu uitați că în descrierea acestui videoclip aveți 3 linkuri. Primul de la Gamivo, unde aveți 85-90% reducere la anumite jocuri și gift carduri. Al doilea de la Keydrop, unde puteți folosi codul JustChris pentru 50 de cenți și 10% atunci când depuneți bani. Și al treilea pentru Mobile Fox, dacă folosiți codul JUST, aveți 20% reducere pentru husele de iPhone. Eu am fost Chris și v-am lăsat. Ciao!